Let's talk about passwords. You know, those things you were supposed to make secure, but instead just settled for your dog's name plus 123? Yeah, I'm looking at you, Fluffy123. About as secure as a chocolate fire guard. What if we told you there's a way to level up your security game without breaking a sweat? That's where multi-factor authentication, or MFA, comes in. So, what exactly is MFA? Think of it like your favourite action movie where the hero always has a backup plan. Your password is the hero, doing their best. But let's be real. Heroes need sidekicks. Enter MFA. It's like Shrek calling in Donkey, because even ogres need a funny, loyal friend to help navigate the chaos. With MFA, you're not just using a password. You're adding a second check, a fingerprint, face scan, a magic app like Google Authenticator or Authy, or even just a text code to your phone. Whatever works. It's double checking that it's you, and not some shady hacker pretending they're you. Why should you care? Well, because passwords alone are so last season. MFA protects against phishing attacks, stolen passwords, weak passwords, or even someone finding your sticky note with Fluffy123. With MFA, you just made yourself a lot more annoying to hack. And hackers are lazy. They want easy, not annoying. Worried that MFA will make logging in a pain? Don't be. It only adds a few seconds, and those seconds are saving you from hours, or even years of headaches if you get hacked. Listen, it's ridiculously easy to set up. Go to your account settings, whether it's for your email, social media or banking, and turn on MFA. Pick your method. Text message, authenticator app or biometric, and make it happen. Easy peasy. And future you will thank you. Worried about losing your phone? No problem. Most MFA apps have backup codes or allow you to set up another device. It's foolproof. Even if you, well, lose stuff. So, what's stopping you? MFA is like giving your data a big ol' hug. And honestly, in this world, who doesn't need a hug? Remember MFA, because your password deserves a sidekick.